Your second 1 crore rupees may not take as long as your first one. A 44-year-old investor crossed 1 crore rupees last year. He said it was the hardest financial milestone of his life. 13 years of SIP, month after month, through market crashes, through slow years, through doubt. Then I showed him what his portfolio could look like at year 18. He went completely quiet. He had assumed that the second crore would take another 13 years. That's what most people believe. Same SIP, same return, same time. But that is not how compounding works. His 1 crore rupees base doesn't start from zero. It starts from 1 crore rupees. And at 12% annual return, that 1 crore rupees alone can generate 12 lakh rupees in a single year, without adding a single rupee more. The second crore doesn't just come faster, it can come dramatically faster. Think of it this way. When you plant a mango tree, the first few years look like nothing is happening. Just a small sapling, you water it, you wait, nothing dramatic. Then one season, the branches spread, then the fruit comes, and then it comes every year, without planting again. Your first 1 crore rupees is the tree taking root. Your second 1 crore rupees is the first full season of fruit. And after that, the tree doesn't stop giving. In SIP investing, once you cross the first crore, the compounding base is large enough that your money starts working harder than your discipline ever did. Your monthly SIP contribution now becomes a smaller and smaller fraction of what your existing corpus is already generating. The work shifts from you to the math. But here's the part that most people get wrong at this stage. And this mistake, made right after crossing 1 crore rupees, can actually slow down your second crore significantly. Stay with me, because this is the part most finance advice skips entirely. The mistake: lifestyle inflation. When people cross 1 crore rupees, something shifts psychologically. They feel they've made it. They feel they deserve to spend more. The SIP that was 15,000 rupees quietly stays at 15,000 rupees, while the salary has gone from 80,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. Or worse, they withdraw a portion to celebrate. And that one move, touching the corpus at 1 crore rupees, can push the second crore further away by years. Because you're not just spending money, you're spending future compounding. Every 5 lakh rupees you withdraw at this stage doesn't just cost you 5 lakh rupees. It costs you the 15-20 lakh rupees that 5 lakh rupees would have become. The investor who crossed 1 crore rupees last year, he decided not to touch it. He increased his SIP by 5,000 rupees and he kept going. I showed him a projection. At the rate he's going, his second 1 crore rupees is likely to arrive in 4 to 5 years, not 13. The first crore tested his patience. The second crore will reward it. And the third, if he stays consistent, may come in under 3 years. That is not fiction. That is just compounding doing its job at scale. If you are somewhere on the journey to your first 1 crore rupees, or you have recently crossed it, comment crore below. Let me know where you are. Next week, I'll show you a year-by-year SIP projection from year 1 to year 20, so you can see exactly when your curve bends and how the second crore compares to the first. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Smart Finances with Ajay, because your money deserves better than noise.